Welcome back, Diamonds. Thank you for joining me again for yet another video. If you are a newbie, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Eva Tarae. Please take a moment to click that subscribe button, hit that like. Okay. Please take a moment to click that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, show your girls some love, become a part of the Diamond Squad so you'll know as soon as I drop another video. Now, Diamonds, today I really wanted to do something super nude, something really cute, something really classic. I wanted to finally play in my Juvia's Place Nude palette, right? And two things happened. Now, I've had this palette for at least 8 months, haven't opened it, haven't did anything to it. And as soon as I opened it today, this happened. Oh, it's not going to fall out. But you see that pan like about to fall out of there, right? As soon as I unpackaged it, it just plopped right out. Super annoyed by that. And then I started using it. And I was like, sis, where's the pigmentation, sis? So I had to improvise. I had to throw this pink in the for some eyeliner just to give me something for this look. So out of all the mini palettes that I've played with so far, this is my absolute least favorite. So Diamonds, if you want to see how I improvised and came up with this look, you know what to do. To prime my lid, I took my P. Louise base, Rumor 2, and applied that with Sephora's Pro Airbrush Concealer, number 57. To set that base, I took my Ben Ny's banana powder using that same Sephora brush. To start this look off, I'm going in with the 4th shade in the palette, which is a pinky peach color, and I applied that with my Real Techniques base shadow brush. And as you can see, Diamonds, this ain't it. Off camera, I really tried to build that color up, and I got Nathan. Next, I took that 6th shade, which is a mid-tone brown, and I applied that to my crease using my Morphe's M456 brush. Now, this is a color I can work with. It applied very well, blended out pretty good also, and the color didn't fade as I started blending it out. For my brow bone highlight, I took the 5th shade, which is a peachy brownie shade, and I applied that with my Sigma SS239 brush. Once I had that placed, I went back in with that same Morphe M456 brush and just blended that out so it kind of came together seamlessly. For my lid, I chose the 2nd shade, which is a true peachy color, and I applied that with my Morphe M421 brush. I was actually surprised because this pigment showed up very well. It came off as a very lightly brown, almost impossible to tell it's peach. Now I'm going to go back and forth between the 2 Morphe brushes and those 2 colors and blend them out just to make sure they come together seamlessly. To spice things up, I took a liquid matte pigment in the shade Bubblegum. Now, this product is a B.O.B., so you guys, I want you to check her out. It's Danessa Mavericks. I think it's Myricks. Danessa Myricks Beauty. I've been playing around with this color, and I also have another one. It's a purple. I can't remember the name right now. But I've been playing with them for some time, and I absolutely love them. Now that I've figured out how to manipulate them, smooth as butter, you guys. And I used two brushes to actually apply this. First, I went in with my MAC 208 brush just to kind of get my outline down. And then I went in with a random brush from Michaels. It's actually a paint brush, but it's very similar to my Moda's fine eyeliner brush. To prep my lashes, I went in with NARS Climax. All right, diamonds, now time for my lashes. So I went to the beauty supply place and I decided to pick these up. Now, I definitely never get my lashes from the beauty supply place, but today it was just one of those whims. I tried it out, and you know what? It was surprised that I liked it. The band wasn't too thick. It wasn't poking me in the eye or anything, so I definitely was pleased with that, and I applied them with my Duo Glue. Onto the face, diamonds. To prime, I used Milk's primer, and I applied that with my fingers. Then I went in with Farsali's Skin Tune Blur, and I also applied that with my fingers. For foundation, I took L'Oreal's True Match in the shade Warm 10. To highlight, I took e.l.f.'s Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Linen. Now, I applied that with the BH Cosmetics 130 brush, but then I blended that out with a damp beauty blender. To contour, I took Cover FX Perfector's Face Palette in Medium Deep with my Morphe's M530 brush. To bronze my face, I took Morphe's Glamour Bronze in the shade Leader, and I applied that with one of my go-to brushes for bronzing, the Sigma SS168. To add a little color to my cheeks, I took my Huda Beauty 3-dimensional highlighter palette and I applied Bora Bora. Now, I don't know the specific name of this palette, but you guys can look that up. And I used that with that same SS 168 brush. To set my face, I use Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. To highlight, I went back to the Huda Beauty highlighter palette and I used Maldives. To line my waterline, I went in with L'Oreal's Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner in black. And diamonds, that is the look. I hope you really enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on your way out. Diamonds, take care of yourself, take care of others, and as always, until next time.